dear friends, I'm Olena. Today I want to demonstrate a very simple technique for liquid acrylic. This technique is so simple that even a child can paint with it. Here I prepared a small canvas. First, a paint, solvent or mixture of several ingredients must be prepared. Take 1 part of the PVA glue or school glue and 2 parts of the paint thinner. I prefer OberezovArt. I have shown this thinner in a different video. A small amount of distilled water is usually added to obtain the desired liquid consistency. Add 1/2 part varnish to make the surface smooth and shiny. I have already prepared liquid acrylic paints. For this size of canvas, you need no more than 20 millimeters or 4 or 5 kinds of paints. The proportion of paints and the solvent can be different, but usually 1 set of paints and 2 sets of solvents are used. Stir the paints and solvent, but not too intensively so that no bubbles are formed. I do not add alcohol to this mixture as advised by some artists. I also did not add silicone as this painting technique does not require the formation of cells. Pour paint in thin stripes onto the canvas. I always leave a little paint in the container in case if it's necessary to correct some errors. If acrylic paints are thick and semi-solid, then more solvent is required. The mixture should not be too thick, but should be like that of kefir. Pour another paint. 1 by 1 all paints. I like to work and listen to music, but YouTube often blocks music because of its copyrights. Therefore, I do not use music when I record video for YouTube. Working with liquid acrylic is always interesting because on the one hand, you know what you want to obtain as a result. However, the results are unpredictable. so all the colors are poured. Now I will show you the fork technique. You can use any fork that you want. The children really like to work with a fork, and my grandson likes this technique as well. Draw stripes with a fork. You can make waves. The pattern itself has changed as can be seen. Because there are some gaps without paint, it is necessary for the paint to spread over the canvas. Carefully change the angle of the canvas and control the direction of the paint. Sometimes small cells appear, which is the reaction of paints to each other. Now the painting is ready. Nothing complicated. Everything is simple. If you want to correct some areas, use the fork again. Before the paint dried, everything could be changed. Now we leave the canvas for the paint to dry. I usually leave it for 2-3 days. If you like this video, do not forget to click like, subscribe to my video channel, and thank you all for your support. See you next time.